my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the brand Vani-T. They have sent me out a few goodies that I have here. So if you guys want to see what I think of them, then please stick around. Okay, so firstly I would like to thank Vani-T for sending me out these products. They've sent me out a couple of goodies that they want me to review for you guys, so that's what we're going to be doing today. They sent me the Velocity Quad Bronzing Express Self Tanning Mousse, 1 to 8 hours. So I left this on overnight, that's what I'm wearing now. From using it, I really like it. You know when you put a tan on, it develops really, really dark, you wake up in the morning and you're like, oh my god, look at me, like I'm really, really dark. And then you go in the shower, you wash it off and like pretty much everything washes off of it. This doesn't do that. Like this is pretty much the color that they it went on as, and my hands are a little bit dark, but that's okay. So this is kind of the color that it was originally. It didn't really wash off too much, which I really like because I hate when you put a tan on and then you're like, oh my god, yay, it's the color I want, and then you wash it off and half of it washes off anyway. Not a fan of that, so I'm really, really happy with that. It goes on really, really well. The only thing is you got to shake it a lot because it does turn back to liquid quite quick, which I found out last night. Probably should have read the back before I tried to apply it. So it just says on the back that if you shower after 1 hour, it's a natural tan, and then leave on longer for a darker result. So I left mine on overnight, as I always do, and it's come out really, really dark, which I am loving at the moment. And it's a really nice color as well. I mean, I didn't put it on my face because my face reacts to tan, but foundation will fix that. I would definitely recommend getting this tan. It is a really, really good tan. As I said, it's really dark, it doesn't wash off completely, which is good. And I also sent you out a little mitt, which I found really, really easy to apply. It doesn't, with the Bondi Sands ones, you know when you use a glove and you're using it and it like flips around and it gets all like really uncomfortable. This one doesn't do that. It really fits on your hand nicely, so when you are lathering it on, it doesn't flip and slide and leave marks because of the middle bit, which I really, really like as well. So 100% I would recommend these two products. They're really, really good. If you want a decent tan, I would get onto these two because they are great. Okay, so we are going to be doing a full face of makeup with the products that they gave me. They have not given me every single product, so I will be using other products, but I won't be mentioning them because this is for a Vani-T review. So they've sent me out mineral powder foundation, so I'll probably just use this as powder just in general. They sent me out a bronzer. They've sent me out Afterglow finishing skin gloss, which is really shiny and I like that. They sent me out an eyebrow kit, which is this one here, and they have also sent me Ready Set Glow. So Vani-T is pretty much just glow and tanning products, really just more for the glow side of things, hence like the sparkly packaging and the sparkles everywhere, which I am so for because I love glowing. I love glowing like a god, love glowing like a goddess, like whatever you would call it, but I love a good glow to the skin, so their products kind of base around that. If you check out their website, which I will link below, I'll also put their Instagram down below as well. They're a very well-known company, so I'd be surprised if you guys didn't know about them, but I will leave them down below anyway. Okay, so we're just going to start off with primer as we always do. Brush it all over the face. I really need to get my desk back because it's very hard working on the floor because stuff is everywhere. Alright, so we are going to be taking their Brow Cushion Duo. This is in the shade Blonde, and then if you open it, it comes with, this will fall out. It comes with a little spoolie brush that flips so it fits into the pan, which is there. And then you've got the sponge duo in there. So I really like the fact that this is to stop it from drying out because sometimes the packaging doesn't always keep the inside dry. So I really like the fact that they've got an extra layer of protection on there to keep it dry. I also love the gold packaging. Like, I'm such a sucker for gold and rose gold, like shiny packaging. And I like the fact that they put a mirror in it. So like, obviously if you're, hey camera, obviously if you're on the go, you know, you can just use the mirror, which I will use today. So like I'm actually using the full kind of go. Let's zoom in so we can see the brows while we're doing it. So I'm just gonna open it and then I am going to spool my brows. I really need to get them redone. I've been saying that for like a year now. And then I'm gonna dip in with the darker shade so I can put it at the edge. Okay, so as you can see, it's super pigmented, which I'm really, really happy about. I personally do not like using little brushes, but they just give you that to kind of make it complete. So like obviously you can use your own eyebrow brush. I am using it simply for the purpose of the video. I personally would not reach for a brush like this, but it's fine because some people do want brushes like this. I just need more room for my hand to do my brows, but that's not a problem. You know, it's handy, it's there. If you're on the go, you're not going to carry an eyebrow brush with you, so this does come in handy. Hello.
Hello, beautiful.
Hi, how are you? Sorry, my dad wanted to talk to me. I work for him, so he was asking some business stuff. So I'm just going to go in with the lighter blonde shade over here to do the front of the brows. This isn't like a pomade, so I'm kind of confused into what it actually is, but I love it because it dries on your brow, and I'm a massive fan of that. You know what it kind of is like? It's like a tint, but like pigmented. I'm a fan, I love. Okay, that's one brow done, and I'm really liking how it looks. Like, I mean, you can't do really the thin slits as you would for natural brows, but mine are tattooed on anyway, so it doesn't really matter for me. But I'm really liking the consistency of the product, and I'm really liking the coverage. Like, it's really pigmented and it looks really, really good, and it's actually really easy to use. Plus it's in a convenient little package. We'll do the other brow. Okay, I'm really loving this product. I think it's a really, really good product. As I said, the only thing is I just don't like the eyebrow brush, but you know, I've got like heaps here, so it really doesn't matter if I use it or not. And as I said, if you're taking it out with you, it's really handy. So I'm loving this one. I love the brow product. It's really, really good. If you want to get on it, go buy it. I'm going to do my eyeshadow off camera. I'll do it at the end because as I said, this video is not about that. This is about reviewing Vani-T and giving you guys my honest opinion on them. So I will do makeup, the red, like the stuff that doesn't matter off camera. It always looks stupid when I like go through a whole makeup routine without eyeshadow, but what can you do? Alrighty, now that we have used the eyebrow liquid eyebrow, now that we've used the eyebrow product, we are going to move on to the face. So we're going to put some foundation. Yeah, I'm just going to blend it in with a beauty blender because I can't be bothered going in with two brushes today. I think because I'm officially in a house by myself, I've started talking to myself a lot. You're kind of thinking, wow, Amber, this is not your skin color, but we have tan on, so it is my color. Sort of. I will link all the products that I have used in this video down below, just in case you guys are wondering what I used on my face as well. And then I will just chuck some concealer on. We are not going to cream contour because we have the bronzer, so I'm just going to use the bronzer that I was given. You guys are going to notice in like my next few videos I'm going to tan all the time, and then I'll go back to being pale because I'm testing out some tans. So this one I'm going to be definitely using all the time because look at that colour, I love it. Okie dokie, so to set our face we are going to be using the Vani-T Australia Mineral Powder Foundation. It just says the ingredients on the back in the shade Bear. Again, beautiful packaging. I love the fact that they're an Australian company. So when you open it, that's what it looks like. It's got a layer on it. Give me a sec to grab the tab. Why didn't I open this before I started filming a video? I'm actually struggling to get this off. Help me, somebody. I'm actually not getting fake nails anymore or false eyelashes. I can't function. Alright, we're there. Yes, we've done it, we've gotten the plastic shield off. Oh, well that's not what I wanted. Alright, now we can just like pop that back in. Alright, we've gotten it off, guys. Don't stress, don't panic, I did it. Nope, we only got half of it off, of course we did. Alright, I'm going to pour some of that out, then I'm going to get a big fluffy brush and I'm going to pack it over the entire face. Actually smells nice. Not that the smell of powder matters, but for some people it might, so it smells nice. Okay, so the powder is sitting nice on the face. It feels really smooth. It doesn't overly mattify the face either, which I like. It's not cakey. It doesn't add way too much extra coverage, which I am also a fan of. So this product is also a tick by me. I'm sure you can get other colors. I haven't actually looked, but this one was perfect for this foundation anyway, and obviously being tanned, you want the color that matches the tan, so this matches the tan perfectly. Next, we are going to bronze our face, and we are going to use their bronzer, which is this one here. It's just a Dream Matte Bronzer, Auto Bronzer Dream Matte. Please use within 12 months of opening. It's also got a mirror in it, which I like. I like the packaging. It's plain, it's simple, it's nice. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels quite solid and sturdy, which is good. That's what the bronzer looks like. So it's going on the skin quite smoothly. It's not building up patches. It's not sticking, which is good. So I'm liking the color. It's definitely buildable. My thing with bronzer is you want it to be buildable. You don't want it to start off as a big muddy patch. You want to be able to build it up to a nice patch of mud. I'm kidding. You want to be able to build a bronzer up, and this is buildable, which I like. It is a cool tone color, which I'm also liking as well. Especially when I am more tanned, I like a cooler tone bronzer rather than a warm tone, because I feel like they are the complete opposite. Okay, I feel like that is enough bronzer for this look. Overall, I am really liking it. I think it's very easy to build. It doesn't stick. It doesn't have any patchy spots either. I'm liking how it sits on the skin. I'm liking the color of it. Overall, I think it's generally a really, really nice product. I'm really liking how this look looks so far. Like, it's very soft, it's not overly cakey, it sits on the skin really, really well, so their products are quality, which is good. And from the looks of it, they look like they would last a very long time as well. Like, this is quite a big tan of powder, so you know you're going to get a lot of use out of it. And this is quite deep as well, so you know you're going to get like a fair amount of product out of it. It's not just like a thin layer that they're kind of tricking you with. I'm going to chuck some blush on. There we go, I've got some colour in my face now. Okay, so for highlighter, I actually kind of want to use the Afterglow Skin Finishing Gloss as a highlighter, because I think that would kind of look cool. I decided to go with a general highlighter because the Skin Finishing Gloss is obviously not made to sit on top of foundation, I don't think. It's not sitting on my foundation, it kind of just stuck to my foundation, so I went in with another highlighter just to save that for probably the body part that it's meant to be. As you can see, like, it kind of just stuck to the skin rather than blending out like a highlighter would, so obviously it's not really made for that, but that's okay. That's my fault. Now I'm going to set my face with the Ready Set Glow Setting Spray. It is super shiny, which I love, which means it's gonna leave lots of little sparkly bits all over my face, which I'm so happy about. Oh, and it smells really good. Like, really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Shake well before use. Spray 20 centimeters away from face with the eyes closed. Apply to hair and body. Oh, yeah, it smells really, really good. And I love the fact that you can spray it in your hair and your body, so you kind of got little sparkly sparkles everywhere, which is like A+ from me. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the After Body Glow. I'll zoom you guys out. We don't need to be on my face anymore. Nothing really that pretty to look at. So I'm just gonna put it on my finger and then rub it. Oh, look at that glow. Yes, we love a shining sister. Okay, so I think that glow really, really complements the tan. It just kind of makes it shine a lot nicer. It really like brings out the glow of the tan as well, but also the shimmer just looks really nice. Like, look at that. Oh, I love that. That is so good. I love that. All right, I'm just gonna go do the rest of my face off camera because, as I said, this video is not about that, and I will film my overall thoughts on the product itself and the company. So I will be back. Okay everybody, I have done a pretty dramatic eye look actually. I didn't think I would end up doing something so dramatic, but here we are. Anyway, this completes the end of today's video. My overall opinion of Vani-T's products is I really like them. I think they're very quality products. I love the fact that they're from Australia. I really love how easy the bronzer is to blend into foundation. I love the way that the tan and the shimmer looks together. I think they look really nice. Individual products, I love them as well. So overall, I really like the brand. I really like the products that I got. And again, thank you so much to Vani-T for sending these out to me. I'm really thankful for it, and I am so glad I got to try them out. If you guys want to see more reviews on well-known brands, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you can join my little army. I'll see you guys in my next video.